In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a token in MetaMask. First, let's start by opening MetaMask. You can do this on your iPhone, Android device, or as a browser extension. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are in, you'll see your main wallet screen. This is where all of your assets are displayed. If you're using a mobile device, it may take a moment to load. Patience is key here, as you want to ensure everything is fully displayed for the best experience. Next, navigate to the Tokens tab on the main wallet screen. This tab is crucial as it houses all the tokens you currently hold. Here, you will see a list of tokens that are actively tracked by your wallet. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it helps you manage your digital assets more effectively. A well-organized Tokens tab allows for quicker access and better management of your investments. If you do not see the token you're looking for, don't worry. Simply tap the plus button or open the three-dot menu to select either Manage Tokens or Import Tokens. This step is essential because it gives you the option to add tokens that are not automatically displayed. The interface is user-friendly, guiding you through the process without overwhelming you. Now use the search bar to look for the token by its name or symbol. MetaMask has the capability to automatically detect many popular tokens on supported networks. This feature is quite handy as it saves you the effort of searching manually through the entire list. If you enter the name or symbol correctly, you should see the token appear almost instantly. If the token does not pop up in the search results, there's no need to panic. You can switch to the correct blockchain network, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, or Polygon, and try your search again. This is critical because tokens exist on specific networks, and being on the wrong network may prevent you from seeing the token. Make sure your chosen network aligns with the token you're trying to find. If you still cannot find the token after switching networks, tap on Custom Token. Here you will need to paste the token's contract address. This is an important step as the contract address uniquely identifies the token on the blockchain. After pasting the address, tap Next and then Import. This action will add the token to your wallet, making it visible for future transactions. You can find the token's contract address on block explorers like Etherscan or on token listing sites such as CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. These resources are reliable and widely used, so you can trust the information you find there. This little step is crucial because manually entering the contract address ensures you are adding the correct token, thus avoiding any mishaps with your investments. Keep in mind that MetaMask does not maintain a complete list of all tokens, so some tokens must be added manually. This is common practice in the cryptocurrency world. Enhanced token detection is available only on certain networks, including Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Base, and Solana. Understanding this can save you time and effort when managing your tokens in MetaMask. By following these steps, you can effectively find and manage your tokens in MetaMask, ensuring you have access to all your digital assets. This knowledge empowers you to navigate your cryptocurrency journey with confidence.